What's up everyone? This video is a walkthrough on how to have hidden or explicit text in your generated image like the ones you're seeing right now. If you want to replicate this while watching the video, go to the description and open up the first link to the GitHub. And this is quite simple, let's jump into that. In this tutorial I'll be using Rev animated checkpoint, however feel free to test this technique with other checkpoints. The link to this checkpoint is available in the description and the document. Start by selecting the Text to Image tab and then choose the image with the word that you created. You can easily make one image like this with canva.com. There you can easily select the size of the image and write the text that you want. I've generated this image with a size of 1024 by 512. Regarding the Stable Diffusion parameters, you can use the following ones. A sampling steps of 40 and sampling method dpm++ 2m caras. In the size of the image, you should select the same as the image with text, or vice versa. This way you don't need to resize it later. Now open up the controlnet section. If you don't have the controlnet, you can go to Extensions, then Available tab, and press on Load From button. And there, if you type controlnet, you'll be able to find it. As I already installed it, I can find it in the Installed tab with the name of sdwebui controlnet. Coming back to the Image tab, now we can add the text image to the controlnet. Enable the controlnet and in the model drop-down you can select Control QR Code Monster. You have the link available in the description and in the document. In that link, you can download this safe tensor and add it to the controlnet models folder. Now, here we have the most important parameters: control weight, starting control step and ending control step, which basically define how visible will the word be in your generated image. Let's start with the default ones and fine-tune it later so you can understand how they work. Now I will select a negative prompt from styles, and then I will use this prompt, which is available in the GitHub document. Let's generate our first image. Well, with the default controlnet parameters, you can barely see the word. We can't even say that it is hidden. And how we can solve this? The first thing to do is to increase the control weight. When you increase this value, the word will be more visible in the final image. Let's keep starting control step and ending control step as it is for now, and generate again an image with the same seed. With a control weight of 2, you can clearly see the text in the generated image, and it seems pretty cool. Now let's generate 5 more images with a random seed and see if we get better image. Well, here it is. I think these images are awesome. But what can you do if you want to generate a hidden message? We can try the following parameters to decrease the display of the text in the final image. Let's lower the control weight and the ending control step, while increasing the starting control step. This will lower the strength of the text and blend it more with the image of the prompt. Let's see what are the results. With these parameters, the text started to be more smooth in the final image, and you can play around with these settings until you find the perfect image. Now let's generate more image with this different prompt, which is also in the GitHub document. And here it is, our final artwork with text on image. Now it is time to test your creativity with other text and prompts. If you'd like to watch more Stable Diffusion videos, take a look at this playlist. If you make it here and enjoy the video, subscribe the channel for more and leave a like so it reaches more people. I hope to see you around. Cheers, bye.